In just a few minutes, we are going to set up a fully local 100% private AI chatbot on your computer. I'll be using Ollama and Llama 3.8 for this, but you can choose any model you like. If you run into any issues during the setup, just let me know in the comments below and we will fix them together. First, head over to the official Ollama website, the link is right down in the description. Download and install the free Ollama platform, which allows you to run powerful AI models locally on your own machine. Once installed, launch it and you'll see it running quietly in your background system tray. Now press the Windows key on your keyboard, open the command prompt or CMD and type Ollama list. This command shows you all the models installed on your system. Don't worry if your list is completely empty right now, we are going to install Llama 3.1 right now. Type in the command Ollama run Llama 3.1 and hit enter. Once the download and installation finish, the model will automatically start and you will see a blinking cursor waiting for your message. Type anything you want and watch Llama answer you back completely offline. To exit the chat, just type /exit. As you can see, we installed and started our private chatbot, but let's be honest, this terminal interface is pretty ugly and it would definitely be much better to have a clean, modern interface instead. That's why I created this fully standalone chatbot interface. You can chat with your local LLM just like you do in ChatGPT. It lets you create new chat sessions, delete them, and it automatically saves your entire chat history inside a private local SQL database on your disk. Plus, it automatically detects whichever LLM models you have installed on your computer, and you can launch it with a single click using a custom batch script. If you want to support the channel and get instant access to this complete source code for this app, along with exclusive tutorials and guides for all my current and future AI tools, head over to my Patreon page, link below. Thanks for watching, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.